High temperature protection of evaporator. Malfunction conditions. When evaporator coil temperature is more than 60 degrees Celsius, the unit will stop, and unit runs again when evaporator coil temperature is less than 54 degrees Celsius. The failure may be caused by evaporator coil temperature sensor faulty, heat exchanger being dirty, faulty fan, and faulty PCB. Troubleshooting is shown in figure. Is the compressor running? If compressor does not operate, check whether the connection is correct between evaporator coil temperature sensor and PCB, and T2 and T2B is reversed. If the connection is good, measure the resistance value of the sensor. If the value is a fixed value and abnormal, replace the evaporator coil temperature sensor. If the value is a fixed value and normal, replace indoor main PCB. If the compressor operates normally, check whether the outdoor ambient temperature is higher than 30 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is higher than 30 degrees Celsius, stop the unit. If the temperature is lower than 30 degrees Celsius, check whether the indoor air outlet is blocked. If the air outlet is blocked, clean the air outlet. Then check if the indoor fan runs properly. Please refer to the solution of fan speed malfunction. Find out the cause and solve troubles. If the error still exists, check whether the heat exchangers and filters are dirty. If yes, clean the heat exchangers and filters. If the error still exists, replace the indoor main PCB.